It's almost overwhelming. It strikes you in your heart and it gives you reason to pause and say, am I doing enough? Is there more I can do? Is there more we can do in order to save just one more life?
Active Minds works to kind of reduce the stigma related to mental health. We did this about 2 years ago, I want to say, and after this event, I remember the counseling center saying that there was definitely an uptick of people coming in for counseling, so I think it really helps people talk about things and realize that it's okay and that they're not alone and that there are resources out there and there is hope.
Campaigns like this help somebody who's going through something personally, helps them understand, okay, there are other people out here who are experiencing the same things that you are, but you don't have to experience the same fate, the same result that they did. There's help here on this campus through the Dean of Students, through the Counseling Center. There might be somebody in your life that you can impact and affect and help save a life in the future down the road.